even have the camera ready. Pull out and there's a nice little 65 plate RS Clio right in front of me. I do want one of those just for the 5-door family car effect that it has on it, and I just want to give it a go. But good start. Good start to the video. I didn't even put it in a little mount. Nice colour as well. I'm not sure I'd go with that, but nice. I like the splitter and the spoiler you can get on the back and stuff like that. I think it just makes it look more aggressive. To start the video properly, just going to do a casual one today. Nothing really happening. Just going to film my car, back in the exhaust again. It's like good old times. Meeting up with a few of my mates. We are having big issues. Okay, so today's been a bit dramatic. I'm just going to start walking around. So obviously we were going on our little 18-year-old cruise to McDonald's, just to have some lunch with the boys. We all decided to drive separately, and then like we did in the good old days. But then when I got in my car and started driving, we got this light. That is the engine light flashing, telling me that something is wrong. I've looked at what the flashing engine light means, and it could be something to do with the plugs, the HD leads, the fuel injectors. Bought some new spark plugs. Unfortunately, there was only Bosch Premium or Platinum or something like that. I was going to get the NGKs that I've got in here already, but they didn't have them. So it's been a bit of a dramatic morning, but that flashing light hopefully will go away once. Luckily, halfway from Warmsted to Trowbridge, I can pull over in my friend's estate, and we've left it on the edge. I've just moved it a little bit now because everybody said it was okay to drive on. Just obviously be careful and they're going mental. But yeah, that's what we've got. But we are going to stop. Potentially change the spark plugs and see if that actually does anything. But yeah, not a good start. Made it like 5 miles before it started spluttering. And sounds a little bit funny when it's ticking over and when I'm driving, so obviously we're not going to drive too far. We're going to see now if we can just pop the manifold off and change the spark plugs. Got my little slave in action. Do like Reynolds does this like sealant around there that makes it better. So there's no actual gasket, but it keeps the engine from not looking like that oily. It's going to sound amazing now, and nothing else is going to be wrong. It was 100% spark plugs. We didn't fix it. Spark plugs wasn't the issue, which means I've spent £30 on stuff that doesn't work, but still making that noise and revving quite high. It's just going da 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 da. So I think I need to buy some fuel injectors next. Ta-da! The next option is the fuel rail. Recently purchased from JMRS. Emily admittedly had to wait outside for 20 minutes while I spoke about cars.
More than 20 minutes.
But all good, got the fuel rail. If you're interested and would like to buy yourself a fuel rail, I bought this one for £35 with all 4 injectors and the rail, and hopefully when we fit this we're going to be all good and I can take my car away from Westbury and back home. There she is. Come on then, beastie. Let's get it done. Okay, so got the hood up. I'm just going to quickly show you guys what it actually sounds like from the back, just so you can see, and you guys might be able to help me then if what I think is the issue isn't actually the issue. But I'm not going to do too much just in case I kill my car. That was just to show you. Yeah, I think Ryan wants to come and help again, so we just need to take the fuel rail off. Yesterday when I popped this cap off, obviously that's what feeds the fuel to the engine itself, which I didn't realise, but when I popped it off, it does squirt out of there quite dramatically. So I have some roll, all my tools, and the new fuel rail from JMRS. And I'm going to be popping on now. Obviously, first of all, you do have to get the fuel guard off, which is held on by these 2 nuts here. On mine, they're both 10 mils. Some people say they're 13s on theirs, but yeah, just the 2 in the 2 holes at the front. I did that yesterday. Ow! Did it? Yes. I'm videoing that, I think.
The overalls on.
Huh?
I've got the overalls.
It shouldn't be a messy job, technically. It's just messy on the hands. Is there any way we can unclip them first? I was wondering if I could get it flattened in there and just unclip them first.
Looks like a rubber seal.
Oh no. Because they said you can twist and wiggle it works the best, but you can't twist it if it's locked onto the rail, can you? Oh, there's a lot of fuel.
It's only been fuel in the rail, wouldn't it?
I know, I don't want it to go all over the road.
Do prefer the smell of petrol to diesel. Yeah.
What?
I prefer petrol to diesel.
It wasn't me. Push in. It's just that rubber seal.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Hey, there's one. One. Now Dad's gone, I can talk to the camera. So what we did is we got the little I need to backtrack.
Rewind.
Stay back there, Dad. So I used a flathead because I had to pop all the little caps off on the injectors themselves. Once again, I don't really know what I'm doing. On the injectors themselves, you've got 2 clips, 1 and 2, and then I just popped them out and then wiggled and pulled it, but some fuel has fallen to the floor, but we will continue. I saw someone doing a fuel rail test, which was quite cool. They had the whole rail out, a bit of cardboard down here, and when you tick over the engine, it spurts it out onto a bit of cardboard, and it shows if they're doing it even or if one ain't working and that. But
Does it look plastic?
I don't think that's supposed to be that. Jesus!
You don't need to put that one back on. And let all 4 of those work.
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So we've got the old one out. We're just going to try and line them up with these. Right,
You're in.
now we just need to return all these little plugs. We've got 4, and they go sort of underneath around the back and push on in. Hopefully. And then everyone could stand in front of my car and get so much fuel.
No, I hope this works.
When he starts it up,
Right, all 4 of these plugs are back in. The clip is exactly the same as the one on top here. You've got to push that in, wiggle and pull, and it'll come out. Same process on the way back on, push it in, squeeze down, let go. Oh. 2 10mm to go back in the front, here and here, and then we can pray.
how come you haven't got this bunch down on the jet skis then?
Huh?
How come you haven't got this bunch down on the jet skis yet?
I have offered a few times. This year's the year.
George.
Once and we were all busy.
Come
Look
in,
at that.
Come in, Lewis. Come in, photographer. Last thing to do is to put the fuel line back in, squeeze the little circle, hopefully, push it down and in, hopefully it won't break. Ta-da! Right, you're not supposed to move out the way, you're supposed to stand in the way. Are you ready? Might just be pushing some fuel through. Look at that beautiful engine. Clean. Let's check. Check, see if any fuel's pouring out of the exhaust again like it was last time. How dirty it's made it. Once again, nice shout out to Ryan for helping me out doing my car. Nice shout out to GMRS. Easy as anything. Messaged him last night, 8 PM. They're at, what was it, 10:30 this morning on a Sunday. Got car fixed. Sweet. Much tuning in. The car is running just as it was before now. So it wasn't the spark plugs in the end, it was the fuel injectors. Nice easy change. Hopefully my video helped out. My dad was there for a little bit, so I got a little bit nervous filming in front of him, but hopefully you can see. If not, I'll put some sort of description at the bottom of the video when I do go get sort of editing it. Hopefully around to doing any casual footage like I wanted to at the start of this video, any filming of my car driving, any of the back of the exhaust, funky shots, things like that. We'll hopefully get to it next time. But yeah, thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please give me a like. Hopefully it'll help those ones out who've had the same sort of issue to me. Remember, it's when that engine warning light flashes, and if your sort of revs are messing around, the car's going a little bit sort of, I don't know, sort of idling funny. It's not, yeah, driving how it should be. It's going a little bit limp in a way. Hopefully this video will help you guys out. And if you are new, as always, please subscribe because we're almost at 1,000. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time.